It's not so easy loving me. It gets so complicated. All the things you gotta be. Everything's changing, but you're the truth. I'm amazed by all your patience, everything I put you through. And when I'm about to fall, somehow you're always waiting with your open arms to catch me. You're gonna save me from myself. From myself, yes. You're gonna save me from myself. Oh, yes. Yeah, my love is tainted, oh, by a touch. Well, some guys have shown me aces, but you've got that royal flush. I know it's crazy every day. Well, tomorrow may be shaky, but you never turn away. And don't ask me why I'm crying, 'cause when I start to crumble, you know how to keep me smiling. You always save me from myself. From myself, yes. You're gonna save me from myself. I know it's hard, but you've broken down my walls. You've been my strength, so strong. And don't ask me why I love you. It's obvious your tenderness is what I need to make me a better woman to myself. To myself. You're gonna save me from myself.